Hi, Phil from Blue Llama here. So today I wanted to talk about, is your accountancy practice website chasing your clients or chasing potential new clients away? So we're just going to look very quickly at three things. First of all, is it talking their language and solving their problems, or is it talking your language, accountancy terms, and really sort of chasing them away? You need to make sure that your website is not packed with accounting jargon. You're looking about the problems that your clients might be having and showing how you can solve those problems. Number two, you've got to prove that you're trusted. Things like client logos, testimonials, your accreditations, reviews, all of these things are going to build trust in what you offer and going to be more like, and potential clients are going to be more likely to get in contact. And then number three, coming on from that, you need to make it easy for people to take the next step. So have you got an online calculator that you give away for free, that you collect email addresses from? Is there an easy way for people to one click to set up, see your diary and make an appointment with you? You really need to make that step easy so you can collect a lead and take that lead forward. Brilliant. Okay, if you need help with your accountancy website, then please don't give a second thought. We're here at Blue Llama to help you out.